Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host a Blooket game. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To host a Blooket game, first open up a web browser and log into your blooket.com account. Here I'm opening up my Microsoft Edge web browser. Go to the URL box and type in www.blooket.com and press enter. Also make sure that you are logged into your Blooket account like you normally do. Enter your credentials correct in the login area and click on Let's Go to login. After you are logged into your account and when you get to the dashboard of Blooket, you'll be able to see a host button right under your sets of questions that you've created. If you don't have any questions created, you'll need to click the create button at the top left and upload a cover image for your question set. Type in a title and description. Enable the privacy setting for your question and select a creation mode and finally click create. Once you create a set for yourself, click the host button to host a Blooket game. Now select a game mode you'd like to host. You can select between any one from the left hand side menu. Give it a click to select and click on the host game button on the right hand side. Now on the next page, you can easily click the host now button, but before that, if you want to set time for your game, you can go ahead and set it by clicking on this drop down. Select the timer you'd like to set for the game, and here I have selected 10 minutes time for this particular game. After 10 minutes, the game will end automatically. You can also go ahead and choose the wait option in this game I'm trying to host right now. And once you make your selection, you can go ahead and enable or disable other settings over here at the bottom. If you want to show instructions for the game for your students, check this show instruction box. You can also allow late joining by checking the second box. If you want to use random names, check this third box as well. And if you ever want to allow students account so that you can allow student account creation option, check this last box as well. Finally, after you are done applying the necessary settings for the game, click on the host now button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to host a game on Blooket. Go ahead and share this ID to your fellow students and ask them to join into the game that you've hosted. That is how you can easily host a game on Blooket. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.